Hello everyone, hope you are doing great trading in the Indian stock market. This is your friend Sumit Tawar this side. This is going to be a short introduction video of the tool that we have developed. A single tool that will give you the power of 8 to 9 different parameters, giving you exact entry and exit signals on the chart. The tool is available on the TradingView accounts, which can be accessed through the app or the website. Taking you to the website. Once you have logged into your TradingView account, click on the indicator section and then invite only. Long only with SL and TP tool will be visible here. Once you click on the tool, it gets added to the chart. The best time frame would be 3 and 5 minutes. We will have to change few settings, that is band length to 9, and the tool is ready to be used. The tool is best used to capture the big moves of the market. As we can see here, it gave one sell signal here where a put entry can be made or a future can be sold, and a long signal here. It is very helpful in capturing the big moves of the market. It also takes care of the stop losses risk reward. Now it generates or it plots a buy signal below the candle. As soon as the candle closes, we have to enter into the trade. Now TP here denotes that we have reached 40 points of profit. The best practice would be to book half of the quantity once the TP is shown or a TP signal is generated, and exit half of the quantity when the entire sell signal is generated. Here the tool uses advanced calculations to make oscillators, volume check to check for the strength of the market, and volume weighted exponential moving averages, which are calculated, and then for the users it is simplified and given in a form of signal. From here on we will be sharing regular trade analysis with our community members. Also we will be holding interactive sessions on the regular basis. Thank you.